IVF with both donated sperm and donated eggs is recommended when there are infertility or sterility issues on both the male and female sides. For example, if a woman has a low ovarian reserve, she may need to use donor eggs. If the man has a low sperm count or indeed a zero sperm count in azoospermia, he may need to look at using a sperm donor in order to provide the male gamete. Women looking to become single mothers without a male partner will be requiring a sperm donor. And if during their fertility studies it is shown that they have some problems with their own eggs, they may need to look at having an egg donation treatment as well. The same applies for women in same-sex female relationships. They will be using a sperm donor to start with, but then if it turns out that neither of the women can use their own eggs for the IVF process, they may need to use donor eggs and donor sperm. In any case, when you are in consultation with your fertility specialist, they will always look for the best solution for the people who want to become parents.